Hi everyone. Now in this video I would be showing you how to download Windows 11 officially for free. So first, before upgrading, check whether your PC supports Windows 11, and if you want to, then use the link in description. One last tip is that you should have a Microsoft Outlook account to upgrade, and if you don't have, check the link in the description. First, open Settings and go to Update and Security. Click Download. If your internet is good, this will take nearly a few seconds, and if it's not, then pause the video to download the file faster and then continue the video. If you like this video, click the like button and please subscribe for more videos like this. After upgrading, you can enter your password and log in to enjoy the experience of Windows 11.
If you want to know how to upgrade your PC from Windows 8 or 8.1 or maybe even 7 to Windows 11 for free, then check the link in the description.